Welcome to our channel. Now let's see the list of chemical elements. Hydrogen 1, symbol H, taken from a Greek word hydro, which means water forming. Helium, atomic number 2, symbol He, taken from a Greek word helios, which means sun. Lithium, atomic number 3, symbol Li, taken from a Greek word lithos, which means stone. Beryllium, atomic number 4, symbol Be, mineral beryl is the name of Belur from southern India. Boron, atomic number 5, symbol B, borax, a mineral from Arabic barak. Carbon, atomic number 6, symbol C, taken from a Latin word carbo, which means coal. Nitrogen, atomic number 7, symbol N, taken from a Greek word nitro and gen, which means niter forming. Oxygen, atomic number O, taken from Greek word oxy and gen, which means acid forming. Fluorine, atomic number 9, symbol F, taken from a Latin word fluri, which means to flow. Neon, atomic number 10, symbol Ne, taken from a Greek word neon, which means new. Sodium, atomic number 11, symbol Na, taken from a Latin word natrium, which means soda. Magnesium, atomic number 12, symbol Mg, taken from a Greek word Magnesia, a district of eastern Thessaly. Aluminium, atomic number 13, symbol Al, taken from a Latin word alumina, which means bitter salt or alum. Silicon, atomic number 14, symbol Si, taken from a Latin word silex and silicum, which means flint. Phosphorus, atomic number 15, symbol P, taken from a Greek word phosphorus, which means light bearing. These are the mass numbers of the elements from 1 to 15. Thanks for watching. To like, share and